The spell check in AutoCAD 2010 has been dramatically enhanced specifically for AutoCAD 2010. Now what you'll notice here is we've got our column text from the previous exercises, and you'll notice that there are specific, deliberate spelling errors. That will allow us to use the spell check in AutoCAD. Now the spell check in AutoCAD 2010 is on the ribbon. It's in the Annotate tab here. So if you're in the Home tab, you need to go across to the Annotate tab, and it's just here in the Text panel. So I click on Check Spelling. Now you'll notice it doesn't start checking straight away. I've got the option now in AutoCAD 2010 of where to check. So if I click on the down arrow here, I can check the entire drawing, my current space or layout, model space or layout space, or selected objects. So I'm going to go for selected objects. And then I'm going to use this button here, select objects in the drawing. So I click on the button, I use my pick box here, I highlight my multi-line text and left click on it and press enter. It doesn't start checking straight away. It has got that selected object now, and I need to hit the start button to start spell checking. But before I do that, let's check my main dictionary. You'll notice it's set to British English, ISE. So something like standardize or customize has the ISE on the end, rather than the American way of doing it, the IZE way of doing it. If I click on the down arrow there though, I've got lots of different languages I can use. These are all built into AutoCAD. Notice there's American English, the default, there's British English, ISE. Now I'm going to be somewhat patriotic and stick with British English, like so. I'm then going to hit the start button, and as you can see there, the spell check kicks in. It's found the word sherbs, which really should be shrubs. So you'll see there, I get the option now to change that. So I click on change, and that updates. Sprinkler's, that obviously should be sprinklers. So again, I get the option there to change it. Watering, there's too many R's. Now you'll notice here, look, there's no actual option coming up, averring. That's obviously not the word I want. So in the suggestions here, I can actually type in the word that I need. So I'll type in watering like so. And then as soon as I hit change, it updates. Notice again the same here with the landscaping. I need to actually put the word into the suggestion. So landscaping is there like so, and I changed again. What I can do is I can add that to the dictionary. So it updates. Confirmation, as you can see, too many O's there. I can change that one straight away because it picks it up and gives me the suggestion. Spelling check complete. I click on OK and I click on close. Notice where I clicked on add to dictionary, it's actually added the landscaping. So I need to click there again, and I need to spell check again. It says spelling check complete. Now that's interesting. That's because I clicked on add to dictionary before I changed that particular word. So what I need to do now is I need to do a selected object again. I pick here, like so, enter again, and now I click on start. It says spell check complete. What do I do here? Well, I'm going to have to change that text. So I click on close, and I double click on the text, and I'm going to edit it like so and change it so that it actually reads the appropriate wording there. So I've got landscaping, so I need to take those R's out, like that. Landscaping staff immediately. That's how it should read. So if I click on close now and close the text editor, I then go back to spell check, select objects, select the text and enter, and then start, it says spell check complete. Because I've made that change. That landscaping now is a known word. It wasn't when it had the R's in it before, but I've added that to the dictionary with the R's in it. So I've got a misspelling in the dictionary now. Obviously I would never spell it that way, but that was purely to prove an example to you. If you tell a dictionary how to spell something incorrectly and add it to the dictionary, it's going to take that as read, as if it's the correct spelling of the word. So you must show a degree of caution there when you're adding to your dictionary. Make sure that you update the word first and then click on Add to Dictionary. not the other way round like I did.